What if I told you the secret to building savings isn't willpower, it's automation? The richest people don't rely on discipline to save. They set up a system that does the work for them while they sleep. And today, you'll do the same. Step 1. Define your saving goal. Think small and simple. Your first goal might be €500 for emergencies. Write it down right now. Step 2. Pick your saving frequency. Weekly or monthly. Pick what matches your cash flow. Consistency matters more than the amount. Even €10 a week adds up fast. Step 3. Open a dedicated savings account. Make it separate from your main spending account. You don't want to accidentally spend your savings. Think of it like building a moat around your money. Step 4. Automate the transfer. Log into your banking app. Set a recurring transfer. Pick the day right after payday. That way, you won't even notice it's gone. You have just unlocked a wealth-building habit that runs on autopilot. No more struggling. No more forgetting. Tomorrow, we level up even more. You're doing this. Keep going.